Tummy, potty, sit and go.
Sit and go, sit and go.
Tummy, potty, sit and go.
Sit and go.
Oh, tummy, I feel it now. Tummy, don't know how. Mom says listen, don't wait too long. When your body talks, you gotta move along.
Hear that chime?
Here, let's go right now. Walk, don't run, I'll show you how. Pull them down, turn around. Sit real still, feet on the ground. Tummy, potty, sit and go. Sit and go, sit and go. Tummy, potty, sit and go. Now we let it flow. Tummy, potty, sit and go. Take it slow, take it slow. Tummy, potty, sit and go. Good job.
There it goes.
Sit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a breath, just relax your mind. If it comes, we cheer her